Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, daily chart, that out of the way. Here's your 3006 high from Friday. We're coming back to test the blue line here. That's the 9-day. That's the 9-day exponential moving average. You can see it better here on the hourly chart. Just a series of lower highs and lower lows since we kind of started to really be unable to get through that 3005 area. You had the spike up off of non-farm payroll. That really got it started to the downside, and you've been kind of making lower highs ever since after you established that 97. A double top is an overused term. You just had 97 price resistance that they couldn't get back through, and then you started to see this, just kind of bleed away from there. So I put out a grand total of one setup yesterday. One. That was it. It was short against a weekly pivot. And we had the runner all night and we took it off, and now we're looking at, if they continue to make lower highs and lower lows, we're looking for, a lower high to get short. And, if this continues to progress the way that it might, then you have to start seriously thinking about 2940, which is the daily mid-band. Which would be a logical next step in the market. It would be a big inflection point. If the bulls want to avoid that, the first thing they need to do is climb back on top of the hourly mid-band at 2971. The hourly mid-band has been resistance all of yesterday's regular session and all night. So if the bulls are going to start getting anything going to the upside, they got to get above the blue line and stay there. Then they can reach back up towards the area of the weekly pivot. If they want to get anywhere Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they have to convert this weekly pivot to support. All the bears need to do, look, you made the move yesterday that you needed to make against that weekly pivot. As long as this holds up and you can hold the hourly mid-band, you can continue to progress to the downside, and then, we'll deal with 2940 when it comes, if it comes. All right, we open in 15 minutes, so I want to get this out. Take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.